Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. So if you want to know how I did this, keep on watching. So these are the Toyotress 22-inch passion twist, and this is the color OT3027. This is the pack that the passion twist came in. I have installed these passion twists before. I'll leave a picture or a video up above, but this was the rest of the packet. I had like 2 packs left. It comes with 8 packs, and I believe there are like 12 to 15 passion twists in each one of the packs. So I did passion twists in the back, and then I did the little crisscross rubber band style in the front. Absolutely loving this look. It was super simple, quick and easy. The only thing that was time consuming is because twists are so long, they literally come to my butt. But other than that, this was a super simple, quick, easy look, perfect for the summer. So let's get right into what I did to achieve this look. Keep on watching. absolutely loving this look. I've been wanting to try this look for a while, and I finally got to do it. So quick 360. Absolutely loving this look. These twists have been up for about 4 days now, and I'm not keeping them up for too much longer because I am doing something special to my hair. Can't wait to show you what I'm doing, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. For this video, hope you guys have enjoyed this super cute, simple, easy summer look. It's definitely great for back to school, great for vacation. It's just an all over vibe. Absolutely love it. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you tried this style before? Will you be trying this style? I will leave the link to where I got this hair from in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.